Unlock the secrets of financial freedom with the blueprint to passive income, affiliate marketing mastery. Dive into the lucrative world of affiliate marketing. In this video, we expose the truth of affiliate marketing. Discover how you can earn while you sleep with the right techniques. We reveal the keys to choosing the perfect products. Learn to leverage the vast online marketplace for maximum profit. Get insight into building a successful affiliate website. We guide you through every step, from design to SEO optimization. Uncover vital marketing strategies. From social media to email marketing, we share the best ways to drive high-quality traffic to your site. Finally, get tips on maintaining your affiliate marketing business. Explore ways to scale up your income as your expertise grows. Join us in mastering affiliate marketing and start your journey towards passive income today.